How to fix blue screen error while playing Windows Media Player. Hello friends, my name is Emma. If you are searching how to fix blue screen error while playing Windows Media Player, so your search ends here. After watching this video, you can easily fix your blue screen error while playing Windows Media Player or any player, only in some easy steps. All steps you can see on your screen. Let's get started. First of all, you should know why this error is coming. So my dear friend, there may be several reasons for this error, but the main thing is how you can fix this issue. After wasting so much time on this error, I found only one solution for this problem, that is, please change your player. My recommendation is MPC HC Player. This is one of the best player to fix this issue. Download and install MPC HC Player that will fix this issue. MPC HC Player download link in video description box. If you still facing same issue, then comment me, I will provide you another solution. Only by using this method you can fix blue screen error while playing Windows Media Player. Hope you like this video. If yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to follow our YouTube channel.